In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a full mobile app with database authentication and payments added in just minutes. And I'm going to do it all using the Vibecode app on my phone. With the latest version of the Vibecode app, you can actually add payments directly into your mobile app on your phone in just minutes. And this is not a sponsored video. I just want to show you exactly how quick this is so that you can see how big of an opportunity building mobile apps is going to be in 2026 and how quickly you can get something up and running that can accept payments and launch to the App Store. If you don't know me, my name is Chris, and for the last 15 years I've been designing apps and advising startups on product and design. And with that said, let's see how fast we can build a full mobile app from scratch.
Build great product. Build great product.
So let's start building our app with Vibecode. I'm going to start my timer here so you can see that the stopwatch is going. We're going to see how quickly we can build our mobile app using Vibecode, set up a database and authentication, and integrate payments as well. So let me get this up and running, and I'm going to put in the prompt here that we're going to use to build our app using Vibecode. So this is going to be the prompt here. So let me run through this instead of just writing it out. So we're basically going to create a meme creator app using Nano Banana Pro as the image generation model. The interface is going to be nostalgic 90s style with a simple upload button for the user to add any photo in a text field, to give any instructions for the meme that they want to create as well. We want to show that meme basically and allow them to swipe right or left to either save it to their account or to delete it forever, and basically have a splash screen and a login and a sign up page before the user can access the app so that they can save generated memes against their account. And we're also going to enable Claude, which is basically Vibecode's way of giving you a database and a login and sign up page, as well as a backend that we can build our app on top of so that users can store all of the memes that they generate here. So let's send this off to Vibecode. This is going to use Opus 4.5 from Anthropic, which is the best coding model on the market, and it also uses Claude code here in a sandbox in Vibecode to create the entire app for us. What this is going to do is it's going to create a task list and then start generating the full application here. And you can see in the app you've got all of these options down the bottom of things that you can do whilst this app is actually generating. And all we're going to do is we're going to do this in 3 steps. I'm going to generate the app, add in the Nano Banana Pro API, and then connect to RevenueCat for payments. And if I go to the payments tab down the bottom here, you can see this is basically their RevenueCat integration, which you can do directly in the app. Previously to having a tool like this available in something like Vibecode, you would have had to use a software development kit to build this in-app payments functionality yourself in something like Cursor or Anti-Gravity in a traditional coding tool, set it all up, test it, and then it can be incredibly difficult to actually get this stuff working correctly before you publish to the App Store. Vibecode have made it super easy, and they're the only app doing this at the moment where you can set up RevenueCat payments for your app, which is in-app payments like subscriptions, one-off payments, that sort of stuff, without needing to do that manually yourself with the software development kit. You just do it directly from this payment tab in the UI, which I think is incredibly forward-thinking for Vibecode to actually add this functionality directly into their app building tool. And you have a bunch of other things along here as well. So you can see the cloud, which gives you visibility of the database and authentication layer that you're adding to your app. So you can see here we've got tables for account, profile, session, user, and verification. And you've got a bunch of other things as well. So we can generate images and audio and all this stuff for our app. This is kind of working through building our application now with Claude code. So let's come back when it's actually generated and then add the API and payments and publish this to the App Store and see how quickly we can do it. These are the tasks that it's going to be working through. Let's see what it comes back with when it's done. So whilst this is generating, let's just set up the payment settings here before we add it to our app. So all we have to do here is go into monetize your app, click connect RevenueCat. This will connect us to RevenueCat, where we basically log in with our RevenueCat account. So if you don't have a RevenueCat account, you can just create one over at revenuecat.com. Log in. I'm going to put in my password in here. So we're then going to authorize RevenueCat to be able to connect to this app. RevenueCat is going to connect here, and it's going to wait for our app to build, and then we're going to be able to add in payment plans to our app directly from the payment tab here. So here is our app that has been built by Vibecode just from this one prompt in about 5 minutes after sending the prompt off. We have our meme machine with this 90s style UI. We can sign up here. If I put my name in, we can then create an account, and this will log us into our app. We are now in the app. Let's save that password. We can upload an image and then generate the meme. What we're going to have to do here is we're going to have to add Nano Banana through the API menu in Vibecode. So I'm just going to do that quickly on my phone. I'm going to go to APIs, and then let me show you what this looks like in Vibecode. So we've got this here in Vibecode, and we go to image generation, Nano Banana Pro, click add to prompt, and then in our prompt is say, let's add Nano Banana Pro to the as the image model for the meme generator. And that is going to add Nano Banana Pro to our app here. Whilst we're doing that, let's go into payments, and we've got this already connected as we went through before. Let's finish the setup here. This is configuring the project in RevenueCat. So this is going to create a project behind the scenes in RevenueCat for us to be able to create our subscriptions in. We're at about 11 minutes 20 at this point. So we're nearly there with an app with database authentication and payments. Here we go. What to do next? Create a monthly subscription for $4.99. So we can just say, let's create a monthly subscription for $4.99. I've copied that to my clipboard, click it in here, paste this in, create a monthly subscription for $4.99. I'm going to send this in the queue, and we've got this prompt queued up ready to go whilst this is adding in the Nano Banana Pro API, and that is going to add in payments straight after it's built this image generation functionality in our app. We're going to test it. So let me get a photo quickly that we can test it with. So now the app is ready to generate memes. It's going to start working on this next prompt that we've got here to create a monthly subscription. We can go into the meme machine, upload a photo here to the meme machine. Let's describe our epic meme here and just say, what? Generate a meme. This is going to generate a meme with Nano Banana in this app. If this works, we can just add the payment functionality in here, and this will be ready to publish to the App Store. And there we have our generated meme. What? Seriously? Did they just say that? This is not okay. Swipe left to delete or right to save. Let's save this and then go to couldn't save meme. Okay. I can see from the chat here that is going through and creating this product in RevenueCat. So it's checked the RevenueCat project configuration, created an entitlement, created a monthly product, a $4.99 monthly product, created the offering and the package, and attaching the product to the entitlement and the package so that this is all working for us in RevenueCat. I see the App Store Connect API credentials haven't been configured yet. That's okay. The user will need to set those up manually. So we can do that manually once we've published to the App Store and we've got this in App Store Connect. So I'm just also prompt here, memes aren't saving correctly, figure out why this is happening and fix the issue. That is going to be our next queued prompt. So here's what's been configured for our payment. So entitlement, premium, monthly access at $4.99. It's set this up in RevenueCat, testing and development. The subscription is ready to test in the Vibecode app. Using the test store, you can purchase and test the subscription flow immediately. For production, to enable real subscriptions, we need to go into our App Store Connect account and set up some details there, but we've added in the functionality for payments into our app already. Now we're fixing this meme saving functionality. So now is fixed the save issue. Let's just try creating a meme again. Let's generate another meme, try and save it, and I'll show you exactly how to publish this app to the App Store from Vibecode. There we go. Me when my cat starts speaking ancient Latin, but he only knows curse words. That is wonderful. Now that's fixed, I want to show you exactly how you can publish this to the App Store as well. All you have to do is go publish to App Store from this menu at the top in Vibecode, and this takes you step by step through signing into your Apple developer account, creating the details for your app, adding an app icon, which you can generate here as well. So let's generate an icon here. Let's use this as the app icon, click next, and then we add in our access token from Expo, which I've already got from my account, click start build, and then that is going to add that to our App Store Connect account in the App Store, and we have done that in just under 20 minutes. Created a full application with working features, with a database, with authentication, and we've submitted it to the App Store as well. And so you can see how easy it is to build mobile apps, to add payments, and to add all of this functionality using Claude Code and Opus 4.5 inside an app like Vibecode. And we've done that in just under 20 minutes. So imagine what you can do if you spend even more time on it. And let's get into my final thoughts here. So you can see how easy it is to create full mobile applications using something like Vibecode with database, authentication, and payments and a backend all set up in less than 20 minutes. And I would have said that this is not a serious tool for building mobile applications until they released the RevenueCat and payments integration, because that means finally that most complicated piece of vibe coding a mobile app, the payments part, being able to accept in-app subscription payments, is finally solved, and you can add payments directly into the app just through that tab in Vibecode. And this is not a sponsored video, this is just something that I really wanted to pull together because they are the only app building tool that has integrated payments for mobile apps available right now that you can go and start building. And I think this is just going to unlock a huge amount of potential and opportunity going into 2026. And if there's one thing that you should try and do over the holiday period, over Christmas this year, is try building a mobile app on your phone with Vibecode. I think this is the absolute best time to be able to do that. And if you are building apps with AI, or you do want to start building apps with AI, I've got a community helping people do just that over at school.com/AI apps, where you'll learn how to build and launch your first app in 21 days. And there's a bunch of other courses and over 200 people helping each other out, building applications with AI and getting real paying customers. As usual, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It means a lot and it really helps the channel grow. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Build great products. Build great products.